Oh,
finally.
thank God. Thank God. Okay, fine, fine.
Yes.
So,
Good evening. I'm Priyanka. Nice to meet you.
oh, it's really great to meet you. It's my first time meeting with you. Okay. So,
Okay.
how is it going?
Yeah, it's going great. And now Diwali is also coming up, so I'm quite excited for that.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what about
Okay.
you?
I am also pretty good. And yes, I am also very excited to celebrate Diwali with my friends and my companions. Yeah. And
Okay.
Diwali is one of my favorite festival. This is what I believe about Diwali.
Yeah, same here. Even I wait for the whole year just to celebrate Diwali.
Oh, oh, is
So
that
one is
so?
Diwali and another one is Holi. Both of these, I just love them.
Okay. So, in which part of India you are speaking?
I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Can you guess where
Yes.
I'm speaking from?
Uh, Somewhere in North India and Northeast
Yes.
by any chance?
Northeast. Yes, yes. Right, right. You are going right.
Okay. And I can't guess the exact location. Assam?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
I
Then?
don't I don't look like that. Okay. You can
Yeah. So
uh,
Northeast was great, right?
okay, I'm giving you only three option. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Tell me.
Okay. Jharkhand?
Oh my God, how did you find it?
I just guessed. Come on.
Okay. Because I meant first meant firstly I mentioned Jharkhand. That is why.
Not really. It was just a wild guess. Maybe an intuition?
Oh wow, wow, great. Okay.
Okay. And
Mhm.
then, would you like to speak on today's topic or would you like to continue with just a normal conversation?
The ball is in your court, like whatever you like.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
start with the topic then. It's about advertisements.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
And then, do you come across advertisements on a daily basis?
Yes, every day. Every
And do you
day.
like it watching these advertisements?
Yeah. Whenever I saw any advertisement in English, I go for that. And if you
Okay.
ask about any favorite my advertisement, I will definitely say about clapingo. I have
Okay.
even I remember all the advertisement words and sentence. It is really
Okay.
hard to believe that I understand. But whenever I watch anything in YouTube, most of the watch I came across only clapingo advertisement. And
Okay.
apart from that, there is a what is that? I cannot okay, I cannot recollect it at this moment. But yes, there are some more another, but I have only remember clappingo because it is a ample of time I saw it, and I have been like showing.
Okay. You have been seeing this on
Yes, yes, I
YouTube.
have been saying. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's okay. That's okay. You just
Oh,
have to
yeah.
be more conscious about it and then it will be
Yeah.
okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I see. So what about other advertisements? Like on TV, we see so many advertisements and they often have really out of the box thinking.
I didn't get your point actually.
So some advertisements really surprise us, right? You won't be able to imagine which kind of an advertisement it is. The whole plot is so different from the actual product.
Yes, there are some advertisement like about Chat GPT and AI tools okay, and there are regarding to something health issue. So the most of the time I have also filled their application. I have registered everything, and I have also paid 10 rupees, 9 rupees, something like that. But I didn't join. I didn't attend their session. Yes,
Okay.
because they actually they try to influence us. They use very good words and nice everything, so they are washing, like they wash, what can I say here, they wash our brain, I think, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, it's brainwashing.
brainwashing, yeah, exactly.
Yes. Yeah, yeah, really. When we look at these advertisements, we definitely just fall in their trap.
Yes, yes, right, right,
Yeah.
very true.
But they're also very addictive and attractive. Only if it's not between something good that I'm watching, not between a movie that I'm watching. So whenever an advertisement pops up in between a movie, I'll just skip it. I never wait for it.
Okay, but if you talk about my if you talk about my side, so I would say there are some advertisement that like you have often seen that whatever the content, what kind of content you watch in your social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, like only you
Yeah.
will find such kind of content in your social media
Yes.
and anything, any website. So the most of the time I watch only English thing, okay, and
Okay.
only news and broadcast, all the things. So I do not get any movie advertisement, any cloth advertisement. I only get like very fruitful things, worthy kinds of I guess worthy
Okay.
advertisement. Yes. So how to use Chat GPT, how to use AI tools, and
Yeah.
how can you build your um, health. Okay, so health is a biggest asset, like everything. So if they
Yeah.
will use such kind of words and sentence, so definitely you are going to influence by them. Don't you think
Yeah,
so?
that's true. That's true.
Yes,
Even
yes,
when I look at YouTube, so I often have to use YouTube because I am building a website at the current moment and I have to look up a few things. I often get stuck with it. So YouTube always just brings up these ads where they talk about AI tools, and there is Power BI for presentation and all these things.
yes, yes.
And then again,
Yeah.
ChatGPT. People are having these courses on ChatGPT.
Yes, yes. So do you know about Chat GPT? Do you use Chat GPT?
Yeah, on a daily basis, I do.
Oh, by the way, if you don't mind, can I go for one thing?
Yeah.
Like, what is your profession?
So currently, I'm a student. I'm in my final year of college, and
Okay.
I'm pursuing Bachelor of Computer Application.
Oh, great. So, the thing that I am trying to make a point here, like I have been hearing about the Chat GPT over the last few days, not a few days, over the last few months, and
Okay.
yes, and I have been trying to know about Chat GPT. So whenever I go to try to know about it, I'm not managed to know. I'm not able to get the information about Chat GPT. So, like, what is
Okay.
so could you please tell me that about Chat GPT? Something
So it
like
is. Have you ever heard of chatbot? So on
chatbot?
these, yeah, like on these websites, there are some text boxes, right, where you can just text with a robot with AI.
Haha.
Yeah, it's quite similar to that. So ChatGPT is generative AI. That means it has a huge database and it generates new information based on that. And
Okay.
then again, if you are asking me how to use ChatGPT, then for beginners, you can just download these extensions on Google Chrome for
Extension.
ChatGPT. Yeah, it's called the ChatGPT AI extension. You can just look for it, Google it, and you will find it.
Could you please text me?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, Google. Yeah,
Okay.
I have
Okay.
texted you. It's
Yeah,
Google
yeah. I saw.
extension.
Mm-hmm. By the way, thank you for your worthy information.
Oh yeah, no problem. You're of course welcome.
Thank you, thank
Yeah.
you.
So
Okay.
when you go and download this extension, then you get ChatGPT, or then again you can also sign in on this ChatGPT, and then you'll just get a page where there would be a text box where you can just enter your query, and then you can hit the send button, or maybe there is a search button over there. So once you do that, then your message goes or your query goes to that AI, and that AI gives
Hmm.
you answers.
Okay. Hmm. Okay.
But then again, recently I think there is some problem. It started in November, this November. So there
Uh-huh.
is some problem regarding ChatGPT. I'm not getting good answers, and I think they're working on something. So it's down
Oh,
for now.
okay. All right. I understood.
Yeah. So you can
Okay.
definitely go for it. So currently, what are you doing?
Currently, like I am a student of class 10th, And
Okay.
yes, I'm working upon my skill, because if you have a effective communication, so
Yeah.
like no matter what you have, like you have everything, every weapon, but you don't know how to use them. Okay,
Yeah.
but I have many knowledge about every subject, SHT, like particularly I have ample of desire to study about SHT. And in my
Yeah.
intermediate classes I am going to take humanity. And so if you know how to represent everything, you know how
Yeah.
to speak about them, okay, serial by. And you like, so that is the most important thing that I believe. So currently I am working upon my skill, so that I will become very influence people. i can
Okay.
I can inspire people, okay, encourage the people through my words, through my good
Yeah.
vocabulary, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
yeah, yes. So if you, doesn't matter, it doesn't make any sense. It make no difference that, oh, what you know. If
Yeah.
you know very little thing, but if you know how to represent all these things, so
Yeah.
that is the point. Yeah, this is what I
Yes,
believe.
that's true. So, are
So
you
that
looking
is
forward to becoming a motivational speaker?
uh, no, not motivational. I want to become a bureaucrat. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so but not motivational. After becoming bureaucrat, definitely I have to go to give us a seminar. Okay, I have to also say many things about, like, about my journey and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, somewhere like I have also desire. I have desire and impulse to be a motivation, because when I was younger, people used to say me, you have a quality to influence the people. Okay,
Yeah.
all you need to work upon your English, because if you know English, then it will help you to influence people as well.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Like no matter like what are you speaking, how well you are speaking in Hindi, you know many things in Hindi, but if you know very little in English and you speak very well in English, people are going to influence by you than English, faster than Hindi, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think if
it will.
it's about India, then I think most people are influenced by English that is mixed with Hindi because at least
Yeah.
majority of people know Hindi in here.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, much more than English. But if you go to the corporate world, then of course it is all about English.
Hmm. Yes, yes. Great.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have any hobbies?
I have hobbies. Do you want to know that? If you will become amazed,
Yeah.
I guess.
Okay, go on, tell
Nowadays,
me.
if you talk about the current time, so I have a hobby. Really, I'm not making this up. It is a exactly thing
Okay.
I am going to tell you. I love to talk in English. I love to converse in English with the different people, and that is why I'm
Okay.
here. Yeah, and yes, I also want to optimize myself, modify myself, to like I want to use a good vocabulary and sentence. And yeah, that is why, so that the clapping or tutor will amend me and rectify me while doing mistake. So that is why I am
Okay.
here. Yes, yes.
So are you getting good enough feedbacks? And have you been able to find out things where you need to improve?
um to be honest, like it is my 10 session, I guess, 10 or something.
Okay,
uh
it's about your 11th session.
11, yes, 11. And there is a a tutor, his name is Ujwal. Okay, so he is very nice person, modest person for me, I guess. He is really cooperating with me. He know my weakness, he know my strength. And I'm seeking for another tutor who can also, I can feel very comfortable with them. And I guess
Okay.
you are the one who's supposed to be my next favorite tutor, I guess. Yes, yes.
Okay,
Because
then that's great.
yes, yes. I'm not making this up. Really, talking very frankly. I'm not feeling any type of hesitation while talking with you. It's really amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then that's great. So I think our session is almost at its end, right? One more
Yeah.
minute to go. So do you have any
Yes.
questions that you want to ask?
No, I will ask in our next session. I have plenty of things to ask you, and I have,
Okay,
yeah.
then that's great. I would be looking forward to the next session.
Absolutely. Why not?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay.
So
Okay,
Diwali
so
is coming up, and you said that you are quite excited about Diwali. So what are your plans?
yes, I would like to go with my friends, like goofing around with them in restaurant, okay, and having fun with them, having a very good and amazing and like very stunning moment for them. I want to spend with them, okay, and it is like this is the time when I with my friend. I have really I am having very good friend with me. They are very
Okay.
generous, okay, and I really like to spend my time with him. Generally, I don't get time to talk with them. So Diwali will be the time when I will
Yeah.
spend my time with them. Yeah, and I am
Okay.
very
Wow.
fond of going to restaurant, making a reels and posting a videos and everything. Yeah,
Okay.
really.
So you are a social media influencer. I'm getting it now.
Oh yes. Yes, there was a time like when I used to, very obsessed with social media like Instagram. But
Yeah.
now after coming